हेलो एवरीवन, सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। दिस इज अनुराधा सरकार फ्रॉम राय बुटीक. आई एम बैक अगेन. Today I am going to show you some very exclusive sarees from South India. Many of you have asked me to speak in Hindi. चलिए पहले हम साड़ी नंबर 1 से शुरू करते हैं. साड़ी नंबर 1. The price of the saree is 3,200. साड़ी नंबर 1. प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट द पल्लू. पल्लू को देखिए, साड़ी का कलर देखिए. These are all very traditional sarees and very stylish. Whole saree is like this and it has a blouse piece, and this is the blouse piece. Saree number 2. These sarees are very colorful. Price of the saree is 3,200. These are all cotton ikkat. रेड एंड येलो. पल्लू को देखिए, बॉडी, ये पूरा साड़ी इस तरह से जाएगा एंड द ब्लाउज पीस इज इन येलो. व्हाट अ लवली कॉन्ट्रास्ट. Saree number 3. 3,000. Price of the saree is 3,200. Green and yellow. Look at the body. And the whole saree will go like this. And the blouse piece is in yellow. Saree number 4, 3,200. This saree, this has a check in the body. Please have a look at the pallu. पल्लू को देखिए. बॉडी में एक चेक है, फिर उसके ऊपर इक्कत के जैसे बुना हुआ है. This is a very different type of saree. And the blouse piece is in yellow, orange. Saree number 5. What a lovely combination, black and red. Though it's a very common combination, but always in fashion. The body, 3,200. The price is 3,200. इसका price 3,200. And the whole saree will go like this. पूरा साड़ी एक जैसा है और blouse piece is in red. Saree number 6. This is in pink and blue. पल्लू को अच्छी तरह से देखिए. बॉडी, प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट द बॉर्डर. The price of the sari is 3,800. This is in pure cotton and this is the blouse piece. I have attached a similar color of blouse with all the saris. Sari number 7, 3,800. This is a lovely royal blue color sari. Have a look at the border. The whole sari goes like this, and the blouse piece is in ikat. Sari number 8, 3,800. It's a beautiful sari. All the saris are very colorful. पल्लू को देखिए, पल्लू बहुत बढ़िया है, वेरी नाइस. लुक एट द बॉडी. And have a look at the border. This is a very pretty साड़ी, very pretty. बहुत सुंदर है साड़ी. और इसका ब्लाउज पीस is in red. When you wear it with the blouse piece, you look so different, because generally this type of sarees they don't usually give any blouse piece. But I have attached a blouse piece with each and every saree. The price of this saree is 3,800. Black and mustard. Please have a look at the pallu. The whole body. There is a border in between. Please have a look at the border. There is a border in between. And the whole sari will go like this. And the blouse piece is in mustard. Sari number 10. $3,800. Please have a look at the pallu. It's a very pretty sari. Beautiful combination, very sober. The whole body goes like this. The border is in matha, plain border. Have a look at the sari. And the blouse piece, and this is the blouse piece. ये blouse piece है. 3,800. Now I have made some sarees in a mix match manner with ikat and begampuri or with something else. So have a look at these sarees. The price of the saree is 4,000. The upper part is begampuri. And the pleats is in ikat. And the blouse piece is also in ikat. When you drape the sari, please have a look. The sari will look like this. This is a very rich combination and a very rare sari. Sari number 12, another mix and match sari. Please have a look at the pallu. This is fully ikat. With 2 saris I have made 1. And this is the pleat. And the blouse piece in plain. When you drape the sari, just let me show you how it will look. This will look like this. Sari number 13, 3,500. Please have a look at the pallu. These are all half and half saris. And this is the pleat. This is the pleat. And the blouse piece is in ikat, contrast. So let me show you how it will look. This is the look of the sari. 3,500. Sari number 14. Another mix and match sari with ikat. And the half is Begumpuri. Mustard Begumpuri. And the blouse piece is in plain. If you want a ikat blouse, that can also be provided to you. आप देखिए ये सब मिक्स एंड मैच साड़ी है, ये सब हमारे राय बुटीक का स्पेशलिटी है। ये सिर्फ राय बुटीक में ही मिलेगा। ये हम खुद अपने डिज़ाइन के हिसाब से हम बनाते हैं। The sari will look like this. Sari number 15. Please have a look at the sari. The body and this is the Begumpuri. The pleats is in Begumpuri. And the blouse piece, and this is the blouse piece. If I drape the sari, $3,500. इसका प्राइस है 3,500. Sari number 16. This is fully a black and red combination sari. Please have a look at it. And the whole sari goes like this. इसका प्राइस है 3,500. You will get a blouse piece a solid color blouse piece in black. Same sari with that was black, this is in blue and red. Price is 3,500. This is the pallu. The whole sari goes symmetrical. This is the body. The sari that I am wearing, sari number, what was that number? The sari that I am wearing is 18, sari number 18. Please have a look at the sari, have a look at my pallu, have a look at the body. It's a very beautiful sari. If you want my jewelry, that also you can have it, you can order it. And it has a blouse piece like this, that one I am wearing. The price of the sari is 3,800. If you like my video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.